Assalamualaikum. So hi everyone. Today I'm with Aini, and Aini, as you all know, she is mashallah a Korean Muslim who got married with a Pakistani guy. So Aini, first of all, would you like to introduce yourself a little bit?
Hi, I am Aini. I married a Pakistani guy. Hello, I am Aini. I am Aini who married a Pakistani guy. Hi, I am Aini and nice to meet you. Yes. Hi, I am. Hi, I am Aini. I married a Pakistan guy. Hi, I am Aini. I married a Pakistani.
2 hours later.
Hi, I am Aini. I married a Pakistani guy.
So guys, a lot of people wanted me to interview Aini, and today we're gonna ask her so many questions about Pakistan and Pakistani culture and what she likes about Pakistan. So first of all, Aini, when did you get married to your Pakistani husband?
I married in 2013.
2013. So it's been 7 years, mashallah. So she has been married since it's already 7 years. So the first question, how did you both meet? Korean lady and Pakistani guy. How did you guys meet?
I met him in Facebook first time. Yes. Because actually we are friends, but actually we not chatting. Actually, just she is in my friends list.
Okay.
So I just see he is in Pakistan. Okay. So I just wanted some shalwar kameez, that is a Pakistan traditional clothing.
But so sorry, she is right now even wearing shalwar kameez. Mashallah. Okay.
So I requested him that bring his sister clothing. So we meet first time in airport.
Oh my God! So then you started talking to each other,
yes,
and
yes.
so I guess the thing was shalwar kameez, how you guys both of meet. So Pakistani clothes, it started because of Pakistani clothes.
Yes.
Wow, that's mashallah so nice.
Yes.
So are you a Muslim right now, right?
Yes. Actually, I am Muslim people meeting husband. So
mashallah.
Yes. So there is no have any cultural problem, religion problem in life, my life.
And have you been to Pakistan?
Yes. So 3 months. I think 3 years ago. This is.
So he has been to Pakistan also. So guys, here are a lot of questions that people wanted me to ask Aini. So Aini, first of all, what do you think about overall Pakistani people? How are they? She's taking a lot of time, so
They are so kind and also 잠시만요.
Handsome? No?
Handsome and also beautiful. Yes.
You're married, so it means the Pakistani husband also talked to your parents. So was everything okay? Or once you went to Pakistan, did his parents had any problem or everything was fine?
His parents no problem, but my parents side problem.
Problem?
Because in Korea there is no many foreigners.
Right, yeah, there are not many foreigners.
But
now
international marriage.
But now they are maybe okay?
Now they are okay. Yes.
Okay.
Now they are okay.
Okay, what inspired you to marry a Pakistani guy? So in Korea there are not many Pakistani, but still marrying to a Pakistani guy, it's it's not common thing, right? So what inspired you? What was the thing?
It's because he never lie. This is
Never lie.
Impressed by him. Yes.
Good job. Really, I'm very impressed by him also, mashallah. Being a Muslim girl in Korea, is it very hard?
I think that is not so much hard, but for searching halal food, that is difficult because everywhere pig.
So now a question from one of my very nice friend, my brother, very famous YouTuber Rasheed. So he wanted to ask you, can you speak Urdu or no?
No, I cannot speak. Just I know some words, but not. This is not mean that I can speak Urdu.
So can you little bit introduce yourself to the people in Urdu? Maybe your name, something.
In Urdu, actually, I don't know this is right or not. I can.
Let's try. Let's see.
Okay. Assalamualaikum. मेरा नाम?
Yeah.
मेरा नाम आइनी है.
मेरा नाम आइनी है.
मेरा उम्र.
मेरा उम्र, okay. कितना साल है? Okay guys, before Annie tells you about her age, try to guess her age also. So stop the video for a few seconds and try to guess her age. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So start commenting in the video. So Aini, anyways, yeah, what's your age? मेरी उम्र
31. No, I don't know this. 21, 22.
30 साल.
No, actually in Korean age I am 31.
31.
Yeah, 31. Yes, 31.
Do you know how to say thank you?
Shukriya, right?
Do you know how to say I love you in Pakistani language?
तुमसे प्यार
करती हूँ.
Nice.
Yeah. Not bad. Have you tried Pakistani foods?
Yeah, I like actually most biryani and naan curry, but mostly I like biryani. Yeah, biryani samosa or something.
So can you cook Pakistani food also?
No, I cannot cook it. Or most my husband cooking home. I am not cooking. Yeah.
Oh.
But just me sometimes help, sometimes cutting vegetables. Just this. I cannot cook.
What are the good points of marrying a Pakistani husband, and what are the negative, pros, positive points and negative points?
This is a case by case. All people is different, but I think they are so kind and never lie. But negative point, they suddenly angry, sometimes angry.
Tips to get a Korean life partner. So it's a girl and she wants to have a Korean boyfriend or Korean husband. So she's asking you, how can I get a Korean life partner?
As I meet him online, I think Facebook is better to meet. Yes, because there is too much international,
Yeah, you can meet so many people online.
Yeah, because I meet also in online.
Okay, so yeah, guys, if you wanna find some partner, try searching online, and inshallah you will get it. What were your thoughts before marrying your husband about Pakistan, and did your thoughts they change or no?
Yes, because I think Pakistan is a dangerous country before. Yeah. So
because of media, so many people.
Yes, media says this. So, but when I go to Pakistan, this is really safe. I think in my thinking.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know other people what thinking about Pakistan, but in my view, Pakistan was very safe.
Which cities did you go? In Pakistan, which cities did you go?
Mostly we stay in Lahore, Punjab. Yes, Gujranwala and Hafizabad. Yeah.
Have you been to Hunza or northern areas?
Yes, Pakistan? I go. I think maybe 15 days I go there. North Pakistan. There is very beautiful. So I want to recommend to any Korean people that in their life just one time visit to Pakistan, North Pakistan especially.
Thank you. That's so. Thank you, for saying that. And guys, please leave a like for Aini also for saying such a beautiful thing. Did you get married in Pakistani style or did you get married in Korean style?
Just we didn't marry nikah only. Yeah. We didn't.
You didn't have a ceremony.
Yes. But inshallah later in Pakistan. Yeah. Because Pakistan wedding dress is very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
So we are all waiting for your wedding ceremony and wedding pictures also. Okay. That's a very cute question. Okay, who was the one who fell in love first? So did you fell in love with him or he fell in love with you?
I think both. This is was handmade.
So again, very interesting question. It's from Nafisa, and she says what do Koreans value more in a person? So hangu salam dari dalam salam pomen mual jail jungi handa ko senga kir.
I think this is also case by case, but I think in my friends they mostly see ability. Like how much on money, which work they do. Yes.
What made her choose a Pakistani guy and not a Korean guy?
Because I was a Muslim, so I need a Muslim man to marry. So I cannot meet a Korean guy because they are not Muslim.
So by the way, how did you become interested in Islam?
I know about Islam when I was go to Malaysia, Indonesia.
You've been to Malaysia and Indonesia?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
And they are so kind, so I impressed and I'm searching about Islam. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So are you gonna get settled in Pakistan or you guys are planning to settle in Korea?
Actually, I wanna living in Korea because I used to living in Korea and also. But Pakistan is also best country for living because everywhere is halal. So no need to worry about food.
Okay. Can you say Pakistan Zindabad?
Yep.
Do you know what does it mean?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Okay. When you were in Pakistan, did you face any problems there in Pakistan?
Actually, I don't have a problem, but Fortress side.
Fortress?
There is Fortress,
in Lahore?
Yeah,
Okay.
Shopping center. There is Gyeongbi. I think a military area, so they check my passport. But they are written I cannot go that area.
Oh really?
So just but I did go already 3 times.
So why you cannot go that area?
I don't know that because my passport written that cannot go military area.
And what about in Pakistan sometimes we don't have electricity, sometimes we don't have gas.
Yes.
Did you also face that problems?
Yes, this is very problem. That's why I cannot live in Pakistan, but
yeah, we have these problems, right? Yeah. So at the end, Aini, so so many people will be watching you from Pakistan and other parts of the world. So what are the message you want to give them about Pakistan and Pakistani culture?
I just want to say then don't believe in media because media already show dangerous or something negative about Pakistan. But when you go to Pakistan, this is really you never imagine that Pakistan.
They are very hospitable people.
Yes, very kind and also yes, especially North Pakistan.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yes, you never forget this country.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you so much for saying that. And guys, still I'll leave Aine's Instagram link on the video description. So if you have any question, you can go start writing comment also, and I'm gonna ask her, or you can just go and start sending her messages also, and follow her also on Instagram. So again, thank you so much, Annie, for giving your time. Chincha, it was really nice to meet you, and thank you so much for being a very good ambassador of Pakistan. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Again, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks a lot again. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.